Okay, so in order to change to a directory, I can either go into the directory or come out of the directory. So to go into a directory, we usually need to run the cd command followed by the name of the directory. Okay, if we cannot remember what are the directories that are available, we can just list everything that we have first. Now I can see that I've created two directories here, test and test2. Now this was in an earlier example, and I have a few other directories which is script, which I created in the earlier example. So let me just go into the script directory. Alright, so when we want to go into the script directory, we just do cd, sorry, without the n, and then sc. Now I would always recommend that you use the auto completion, that is to press the tab key, yeah, and then hit enter. So now you are in the script directory. Okay, so you're in the script directory. Alright, so you have came into the script directory. Now what if you want to get out of this directory? To get out or to go back up one level, it is cd space dot dot, yeah. So this will bring us back up to one level. Okay, now for the next command that we want to go through, it is nano. Now nano is a built-in text editor, yeah. So this is a built-in text editor. We can use it to write any type of files that we want to create. Now the type of file will depend on the extension. So let's say I want to create a let's say test2.py. So I'm going to create a file named test2.py. Now this .py will tell the executable that is a Python file, yeah. This is the extension of the file. So we can just go into the file. Sorry, we can create the file here. This is how we create a file. So we've created a test2.py Python file. Now inside this test2.py Python file, we can write some Python scripts. Okay, so this is going to be the next part on how to write Python scripts. So let us just start by writing a small or just a one-liner Python code and see whether this works. Now the print command is the most popular Python command that everyone starts with, or a Python function. It is just basically used to print things out on the terminal, yeah. So I want to print a message here. I want to print hello world. Let's just use the hello world that everybody does whenever anyone starts any basics. If you've done basics of other courses, you will see that everyone starts with hello world. Yeah, it's just a it's just a thing. Okay, so it's hello world, right? So this function will print the message that we're asking it to print, and this is in a string representation. So over time we will go through all of this in Python. Okay, so let's just save this. Now in order to save things in the GNU Nano, we need to press Ctrl X and then type there's a prompt message. N will be for no, and then we can cancel it as well, but we don't want to cancel, so what we just do is Y and then hit enter. So this will save our work. If we are not sure, we can reopen the file and see whether our work was saved. So if I press the up key, I can get back my previous command here, nano test2.py, and we can see the print message here. Yeah, so press Ctrl X. Since there's no changes, there's no message to save. Now let me execute the Python file just to show you all that Python file works. So now in order to execute a Python file, the command is Python followed by the file. So the name of the file is test2.py, and you can see that when I execute the file, I got an output of hello world.